Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a website link or URL to an event on the Google Calendar mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Google Calendar app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select event from the menu. This opens up a new event screen where you can fill in all the details. Start giving your event a title like team meeting or a webinar. Then choose the date and time for the event. Scroll down to the add description section. Here, tap on it and in the box simply paste the URL or website link you want to include. You can write something like join the meeting here. Make sure the link starts with HTTP or HTTPS so it's clickable later. Once you are done, tap save in the top right corner. Your event is now created and the URL is added to it. And that's it. That's how you add a URL to your Google Calendar event using your mobile. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.